Hello everyone, Avni from Avni's World here. In my last video, I had shown you how to make an animated Christmas card. In this video, I will show you how to record sound and audio. Let's start. First, I'll go to sounds. Here, they have already given us a sound. A meow for this cat sprite. Now, I will go to the sound icon. And just like the sprites and laptop icon, when you go to it, it shows different options. Choose a sound again, record, surprise, and upload sound. I will first go to choose a sound. And here, just like the sprites and backdrops library, here is a sound library with different sounds in different folders like animals, effects, loops, notes, and more. I'll choose a sound from animals. Let's say I choose Nyato. Clap! There! Now I'll go to the next option, which is record. Now when I click this red button, it will start recording anything I say. Hi, I'm a cat. I'm a French cat. Meow! There! Now, I'll play. Hi, I'm a cat. I'm a French cat. Now, there are two options. I can either choose to record it or save it. I'll choose the save option. Here, I can rename my sound. There. Here you can edit your sound, make it faster, slower, louder, softer. You can mute it, fade in, fade out, reverse and robot. Actually, I'm kinda curious how it will sound reverse. Let's try it. It sounds so funny reverse. Now, I'll tell you the other option. Surprise! When you click this, it will choose a sound from the sprite library. Like toy zing. Now, when you click the upload sound, you can upload any sound from your files. That's it I'll be showing you for today. I hope you liked my video. Please like and subscribe.